Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to create this home plate design using the Symmetric tool and the line tool. First thing you'll do when you open up your Onshape in your Part Studio, you will create a new sketch on the front plane. We're going to go ahead and view that normal by tapping the N key. We're going to toggle and we're going to leave our planes on for this activity. I'm going to name the sketch home plate. It's good practice to name your sketches. It's easier to track what you're doing. We're going to use the line tool, which is at the top on your tool ribbon. The line tool has a shortcut key L. Just quickly sketch out a polygon that has 5 sides. I'm not going to be concerned about the symmetry or neatness of it at this point. Just going to make sure I have 5 sides and one of those corners is on the origin. Now we're going to go ahead and start applying some rules. So the first thing I want to do is say that, as I've already told you at the beginning, this exercise is about symmetry. So we're going to make the model symmetric. And symmetry occurs between two things, two entities, and then there is a mirror line. So I have, if I want this point and that point to be symmetric to that axis, that lines them up. If I want this point and this point to be symmetric about that axis, they'll line up. I want this line and that line to be symmetric, that line and that line symmetric. So now all of the constraints I've applied, I show them, are symmetric constraints. Now there are coincident constraints and some other constraints that got automatically applied. But right now, if I escape from my tool and grab these points, you'll see I get a nice, neat, even home plate. Looking back to my dimensions, you'll see that it's 17 inches wide, 8.5 inches on the short side, and 12 inches on the long side. So add those dimensions. D is the shortcut key for dimension, or you can click it from the tool ribbon up top. 17 is going to be my first one. I'll tap my letter F to fit to window. 8.5 and 12. And there you have it. Your home plate is fully constrained. All of the points are symmetric to each other with respect to the vertical axis. So there's your home plate. Good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.